Hallo und herzlich willkommen. Hi and welcome to Zero to German Hero. Are you ready to start your German learning journey from scratch without the overwhelm? In this channel, you'll discover how to learn German step by step, even if you know absolutely nothing today. German is spoken by over 100 million people. It opens doors to travel, business, culture, and amazing opportunities. Whether you want to explore Berlin, read German literature, or boost your career, learning German can transform your life. Here at Zero to German Hero, you'll get short, clear lessons you can follow easily, simple grammar breakdowns, practical phrases for everyday situations, listening practice with native examples, tips to stay motivated and confident. Each video is designed to help you make steady progress, one step at a time. You'll find playlists organized by level. Absolute beginner, start with the basics like greetings, the alphabet, and simple sentences. Beginner to intermediate, build vocabulary and grammar foundations. Intermediate and beyond, practice real conversations and advanced topics. I also share pronunciation guides and memory tricks to help you learn faster. A little about me. I'm Pooja Kundu, a passionate German teacher who loves helping people discover the German language. I've helped learners of all ages gain confidence, and I'm excited to help you too. If you're ready to go from zero to German hero, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to get started. Let's learn German together. See you in the next video. Tschüss!